In the recent times of global pandemic, due to limited travel or travel ban, we have observed organizations and our customers struggling with their sales, marketing and post-sales activities. Hence, organizations need a proactive plan or a solution where they can address these challenges in terms of installation, training and machine maintenance. To tackle all of these challenges, SolidWorks provides you the solution as SolidWorks Composer. It addresses all the challenges starting from creating marketing brochures with high-resolution images, sales kits which includes animations, images, product manuals, exploded views, installation instructions, service manuals and training guides, completely covering all the facets of post-sales activities. We have seen due to travel ban, sales and marketing teams are struggling to showcase their product in live environment. Now you can address this challenge by creating attractive marketing content along with the animation for better understanding of the product. This helps you market your product digitally. You can also create comprehensive and easily understandable machine installation animations with labeling of all the necessary assembly instructions as well as labeling component from the CAD file itself made in SolidWorks, hence reducing the need to visit the customer's place. Not only that, but when machine needs maintenance, you can satisfy your customers' needs by providing detailed process animation along with detailed views of hardly visible components so that customer can understand the process better. You can also create interactive documents such as SVG files that can be viewed on any browser in order to understand assembly structure easily. It includes bill of materials table as well as highlighting ability of each component with respect to their names and quantities. Overall benefits are enhance product communication and marketing collateral, create interactive 3D content, compete for more business, get products to market faster. As we know, safety should be necessary and we ensure safety for your team by creating content which can guide your clients digitally. For more information, you can contact us by given mail ID, contact number or visit our website. Thanks for watching.